Hello. Today's video will look at R-selected and K-selected species. In today's presentation, we'll discuss population and how different species implement unique strategies to ensure their existence. A population is defined as a group of organisms that belong to the same species and inhabit the same geographical area. An example of a population would be the carp in Lake Erie or the squirrels in Central Park. Each population of organisms must find a way to be successful in their environment if future generations are to continue living. Biologists study population trends and have identified two specific strategies that populations employ to ensure their survival in their environment. Some populations follow a rapid growth pattern, referred to as R strategists. Other populations follow a slow growth period, known as K strategists. These two populations are classified by biologists who observe population density-independent factors. Density-independent factors are conditions that impact the growth and evolutionary success of a population. These factors include growth rate, parental care, maturation rate, environmental influence, and the lifespan of the individuals in the population. Weather and climate are the two most important density-independent factors considered by biologists. R strategists tend to reproduce quickly and have large numbers of offspring. They offer little or no parental care to their offspring, and subsequently, many offspring do not reach maturity. However, because of the large amount of offspring produced, these losses do not significantly impact the population. This group also matures rapidly and has a short lifespan, comparatively speaking. Some examples of R strategist populations include cockroaches, bacteria, and mosquitoes. K strategists tend to reproduce slowly and have small numbers of offspring. They offer extended parental care to their offspring and can only have a limited number of offspring in a lifetime. They mature slowly and reach sexual maturity at a much later age. K strategists have a long lifespan, and they spend at least part of their life caring for offspring. Some examples of K strategist populations include elephants, humans, and whales. Two other factors that define a population are the maturation rate of the organisms within the population, as well as their lifespan. Cockroaches mature quickly and reach sexual maturity within a few weeks or months of life. Rapid maturation is important to cockroaches because they typically only live about a year. During this year, to be reproductively successful, a cockroach must quickly mature and produce offspring. The K strategist elephant has a significantly different lifestyle. The elephant does not reproduce for the first 10 to 20 years of life. However, they have a lifespan of approximately 65 years, so the delayed maturation doesn't impact the population in a negative way. Regardless of the strategy a population uses in respect to density-independent factors, most populations devise a strategy that allows them to adapt to their environment and effectively maintain their population. If the strategy is not successful, the group must adapt quickly to their environment or risk extinction. This concludes our discussion on population and how various species have adapted to their environment to ensure that their group not only continues to exist, but often thrive. To learn more about additional scientific topics, please be sure to take a further look into the Science Center. Thank you, and have a great day.